Hi y'all, this is the husband from Texas Roadrunners. Today we're going to try to install this RV lock. This lets you get in and out of your RV with a key fob or with the secret code. It's supposed to be pretty easy to replace. Honestly, I don't even know if this is going to fit. It's such a massive chunk here. So we'll see. It's going to be hard to see this probably, but let's see what we can come up with here. They don't have a lot of different options really, so I'm assuming most of these doors are similar. It'll be nice if this works out. You know, it seems like a little thing, but keeping up with the key can really be a pain. Okay, so I guess these two screws have to come out. I was hoping that this, I figured the striker plate was only screwing in the cover, but it's holding the handle also. So far we're at 6 screws. You got 2 for this and 4 for the handle. And on your handle, that's, well, it goes like this, but that's it. So we took out these 4 screws, this came off, and then 2 screws, and now that just pulls out. That's a significant chunk too. Woo, that's shiny. Then this chunk goes in with any luck. You just slide it in place. Like that. Now I only have 1 or 2 little foam bits here. Now we have the styrofoam bits out of the way. We're going to start our 2 screws on our striker plate. So I don't fall off the steps here. Okay, those striker plate screws are almost all the way in. You need to make sure your ribbon is sticking out. Making sure my handle is clear on the other side. All that looks good. Then we have to plug this in. And there's the battery telling us that yes, it's plugged in. And I'm just going to fold this cable here. Now, I've never done one of these before. Never even seen one of these before. One of the channels that my wife watches shows these RV locks. I would have never known the difference. Ooh, that would have been a mistake. So this side is, this piece here is going to be a little trickier because you have the handle that moves your latch has to line up and your lock has to line up, and then you have this ribbon cable, so you have to situate all three of these moving pieces here basically at the same time. Okay, I think that's it right there. Now I'm just going to hold it with one hand, see if I can get my screws started. Okay, there's a good sign. I got two of them started. I'm going to run these in all the way, but not tighten them. I just want them to hold slack, but I still want to be able to move stuff around a little bit. Because I might not be able to get the other two screws in. This one comes with 2 keys for your lock, and it comes with a key fob, which all that stuff is nice. The key fob I might put on the truck key. But the keys, you know, I don't want to carry those, so we'll have to figure out what to do with them. Obviously, you don't want to lock them in your RV because then if your battery goes dead or something, you won't be able to get in. The battery compartment's right here, so it's just 2 little screws and you can put new batteries in. I thought that panel was tight, but I was being a little too careful with it. That's tight. That works really good. That works really good. It's a very tight fit though, I'll give you that. So we have the 4 screws on the outside, we have the 2 screws on the end, and that's all there is to it. It's all installed. I'm going to pause y'all and show you what it looks like from the outside. So from the outside, it's a very nice looking assembly. You got your nice little push buttons to lock and unlock. And it's a good looking handle. It looks better than the factory one. So there you go. It's very easy to install. All we have to do now is put in our secret code and it's all done. Alright y'all, we'll catch you on the next upgrade.